pyoge lana mebe uti chino khonsa kyamgun chimbu chola Mexico yugi lonyi tabjing sudun kentang migbi yartun ken kushab yujinder dabes la ne chida sundi shubashin dizi yinshu zangi nin kongdan lendo sugar potane talam tedon yu kuryu ki nedun tang chamze dewe korla kandi kalen nangkap khonsa kyamgun chimbu choki.
Regarding Tibet, I very much concerned about environment about Tibet. Tibet, usually you see people call roof of the world. So they, all these major rivers which cover whole Asia come from Tibet. So preserve Tibetan ecology is very, very important.
ngola tamja shi yube nangne sumbati ngarang phebashi yimbe chane phimichu ngala yiji dang rewa chigi yubare inang chapsi gi guti ti mangso ge wendim chebe guti gi chigi yubare ngala ginkur khayame ngoyarangla phyogi kuryu nedun tela semzap chimbu yu pyoti chirdan zamlingi yangto yimba shesu yubashin Asia nang gyukshinbe zangju chega changma phyone yungi yubare tenda songzang phyogi rangjung nuju di songgyup chiya di hajang ke chimbu re Asia yudu chuyu jungkung zo de phyo chagi yutab phyo de hajang ke chimbu chagi yuji ka zenan zesong kushab yujbender Davis la ne khonsa chogi maung yangsi phebgi yuna kesi phemna phymeshik yongsi damshi kandi shubar
and including Himalayan range, and also you see Mongolia, very historically, the very name of Dalai Lama, you see Mongol word, like that. So they naturally, they have the responsibility.
Khonsa kunting ngabane suyo tebe tale lame chapsi ki kenguru sheyati nge yuwa tang simbare ngarang kenyu chin simba mase kesi maungbar tale lama yangsi peba yine chapsi ki kengur tsawane sheya meba suyo simbare yangsi peminti pyogi chugyu kagi uti sotang Himalaya rigyu ki nangba tishin tale lama tang logyu tone dewa yobe sokbyu yu che la kengur yoba re che katsenan zeson. 야 kushab yujender dabes la ki khonsyamgun chimbu chogi tada zamin di nang toyi rimne gi kange la donlen chinken membata mesheba dishin negi narshimba namla tomu kyamju yongwa shubar
effect from prayer I think limited. More important is our action. So as I mentioned earlier, you see those concerned people who are taking care about our physical world illness, now this illness, I very much appreciate. I just wish, you see, their work continuously and successful.
nge nindar shokba kama chuchunge ringla tada negi narshimba namgi chedo myolam gyabgiyu inang myolam chigbu dingi me ke chishu di laktar cheya dere tada negi narshimba namgi subur tato chenken deyu changmar ngabchu yu la kong nambe nangshimbe letun ka mutune yukyong yongya tang lamlong yongya ki myolam ya gyabgiyu che ka zenan zeso nyembar chokti shukwe tenzin tuyu tang sarguba ujen tenzin yegi shuga dharam sala nige